Good day, everyone. Welcome once more to the 10x Crypto Academy YouTube channel, and this is Tony FX with you. If this is your first time to be here, I will advise you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Like this video right now. Drop your comments on the comment section. If you have any comments at all about what you think I should do next, or about a specific education you want me to give out, drop it on the comment section and we will definitely communicate. So today I'm showing you an opportunity, an upgrade in the 10x Crypto Academy, which we have been working on for a very long time with my team and I. So we have launched our token officially, and we are planning towards hitting CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and other known publicity that is going to give this coin the name it needs. So right now I'll be showing you how to add your wallet in Trust Wallet. You can add this wallet in MetaMask. You can add it in definitely any crypto blockchain wallet you have. So you just have to watch this video one at a time. Take the steps one by one. So we try to get this wallet to you, and then when we get the ICO done, which is the initial coin offering of this token, we are going to pull in investments from investors all over the world, from Dubai, from Canada, from US, and here in Nigeria. This money is going to be used to embarked on the journey and the project we have at hand. My main vision here is to change the visions, or to change the subconscious or superconscious mindset of most youths in the economy of the world, who think that it must be a fraudulent activity they must embark on to be able to earn money and sustain themselves. But no, here I want to show you that we're going to give them education, we're going to give them trading and a payment system that is going to work for them even as they are living their daily life. We're going to give them the mining and investment opportunities. The education has to do with other digital assets aside from crypto trading. We're going to give them other AI trading technologies and applications that is going to enable them to run their life with an ease, without the stress of analyzing the market, knowing the proper risk management, and etc. This AI is going to do everything for them. We're going to also introduce them to a mining app that is going to enable them mine coins and pull these coins into their wallet directly. So this is just the starting point. We have a lot to establish. So right now I want to show you how you can be able to add this token wallet to your wallet. So I'll move over to Telegram, where I have the link. This is my Telegram. I'll move over to Telegram, where I have the link. Okay, so I will move over to where I have the contract address. This contract address will be dropped below this video. So over here, it's loading. Over here you can see the contract address. So I'll copy the contract address, and then the name of the token is 10xCA token. 10xCA. We have the vision of impacting these technologies, applications for individuals, both old and young, to be able to 10x their coin, even if they have less knowledge about how to trade. But definitely, for you to invest your money, you have to develop good knowledge in any business you're doing to earn massive income. So this is the name of the token, this is the symbol XCA, and this is decimal 18. So we'll move over now to our Trust Wallet. So I'll open up Trust Wallet. It's loading up. You can see the blue shield, and here you can see I don't have the token on my wallet. I don't have the token here. I have only Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Smart Chain. Then we move over to this toggle up here. We click on it, and then they ask us to search for token on here. I'm going to click paste that contract address here. I'm going to paste it and then search. I'm going to click on this search. I'll click on it, then okay, it's not found, so I'm going to add custom token. So I'll add custom token. Now we have gone to this page of adding custom token. I'll click here. We have Ethereum, and we'll swap it. We swap it to what? B Smart Chain. I swapped it to Smart Chain. Then I click on this paste over here. You need to click the paste. Now I click on the paste. Okay, so it did automatically fill in these gaps, so we need to fill it in manually. So I'll go back to my Trust Wallet and copy the name, and this is the name. So I copied it, and then I'll go back to the wallet and then paste. This is 10xCA token, and then symbol. I'll go back to symbol over here, and then the symbol is XCA and decimal is 18, so I'll add XCA over here, XCA, and decimal is 18, and then I'll click over here, done. Voila, the wallet has been added. So we're going to be listing the ICO website soon, and then from the ICO website you can be able to get these ICO coins to your wallet immediately. Thank you so much for watching through the end of this video, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless you.